Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take macro photos on your Samsung Galaxy A57. First of all, let's open the camera on our smartphone and let's select More modes at the bottom of our screen. Then select macro. Generally, macro lens will be detected automatically, and when it's enabled, you'll be able to see this flower icon in the corner of your camera. But using this mode lets us take macro photos manually. Make sure that your camera isn't blurry and move as close as you can to the object you want to capture so that it's not blurred out. Keep your device steady and take a photo of it, and this will give you a nice, clean and high-resolution photo of your macro object, or of your object shot on a macro camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.